Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to do ad-libs in your tracks on Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application right here if you haven't already, and after opening up guys, you'll be greeted by the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So guys, go ahead and create a new one if you do not already have one, but after logging into your account, you'll be able to access the main page right here, which is the home page, where you can see all the trending videos, you can see all the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see how you get started with adding ad libs. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and click the plus button right here in the middle part of the screen. At the bottom part of the screen, click the plus button. That's going to open up this new page right here where we can get started with either importing a new file, recording ourselves and so on. So open up your studio guys, and after opening up your studio and your project, it will look like something like this. So now let's say this is our song right here and we want to add our ad libs over the song. This is how we can do that. You want to go ahead and click the plus button right here next to the name of the track, under the track, and then select in the new menu that appears, you want to select voice and audio. And now guys, this is going to enable us to go ahead and get started with recording our voices. You can see it's going to go ahead and get started recording our voice, and once you stop it guys and you exit out, it's going to go ahead and add the track right here successfully. So you can put it wherever you want, and those are going to be your ad libs. You can even just add the new files. You do not have to record yourselves. You can enter in your files that contain your ad libs, and then you can just put them right here and manage them with a song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.